Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This video today is going to be showing you some brand new Cookie Run Kingdom codes working right now in 2026. You can get tons of free gems. You can even get all cookies unlocked and get Fateful Cookie Cutters for free. Before I show you this method, guys, I'm doing a huge giveaway, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm giving tons of gift cards away and you're definitely not going to want to miss that. But anyway, guys, these Cookie Run Kingdom codes are working right now and these are by far the very best. So let's get into the video and show you how to go ahead and get your very own codes. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. It takes about 5 minutes to get your Cookie Run Kingdom coupon codes, but it is well worth it. So open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you type it correctly, cold coupons. There you go. And it's going to bring you to this website here, guys. Now, they actually have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. So what you're going to want to do, it's going to take you ages to look through manually. So you're going to need to use the search bar at the top and just type in Cookie Run Kingdom. And it's going to bring you to this page here, guys. You can see there are 4 verified working CRK coupon codes, and they're being used today and very, very highly rated. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down. You can get free resources and rewards. So this is going to give you a random selection of free resources in Cookie Run Kingdom. You can get 100,000 free gems or crystals, whatever you want to call them. You can get all the cookies unlocked. And you can get 300 Fateful Cookie Cutters. So I'm going to select this one for this tutorial. But the process remains the same no matter which code you choose, guys. So you can just select the one that you want the most. You can only do this once as well, guys. So once this loads up, you're going to see this part here where it says your coupon code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So these, sorry guys, I need a drink in a minute. These are limited codes, so you need to unlock your personal Cookie Run Kingdom code. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this page here that basically tells you exactly what you need to do. You need to basically complete 2 of the offers below. They're completely free, and these are really easy things like mobile applications and surveys and mobile games. You just got to make sure you do follow the instructions below each app. So yeah, read the instruction, fully complete what it says. And once you complete 2 of them, it will send you back to cold coupons and your CRK coupon code will be fully revealed. So the full code will be shown in this box. You simply copy it, redeem it in game or in the website. And yeah, that is going to get you free gems, but you can get other stuff as well. So these are by far the best Cookie Run Kingdom codes in 2026. Go to cold coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I say, I am doing a huge giveaway and I'll see you on my next video.